Very heavy rains have been started in Pune right now. We are just opposite to Pune Municipal Corporation's bridge. As you can see, the entire bridge is drenched in the water. Even you can see the cars. You can see right front of me one car over here, and towards there, everything has been drenched in the water. While the heavy rains have been lashing the ghat near Pune for the past 2 days, IMD has now issued a red alert for the Pune district, like heavy to very rains expected in the Pune city and the district for next 2 to 4 days, and the administration has issued a warning to the citizens and the tourists. According to IMD, there's a possibility of heavy cloud-like rain in the Ghats in Pune and Nasik districts in next 48 hours due to the heavy rain. Water has been released from Khadakwasla Dam, a speed of 5,700 census. In the view of increasing the intensity of the rain, residents of the river banks have been instructed to stay safe after some respite in the city on Thursday. The rain has started again since Friday morning, and the intensity of the rain is expected to increase in the city for the next 2 years. As you can see, the right now situation over here, as you can see, entirely the cars have been drenched in the water. As you can see, the people are trying to remove. As we have seen, even the entire Bhide pool also is submerged in the water over here, and you can see the residents are trying to even remove their cars from the water that has been totally submerged. According to the weather experts, also the extreme severe low pressure area formed in the Bay of Bengal is moving forward to Chhattisgarh and travel towards. Due to this weather system, not only in Pune but also in the Konkan, Madhya Pradesh has also been affected. Even right now, if we see, red alert has been seen in Pune, but the IMD has released the long-term forecast for the period from July 31st to August 27th. So far, the current season has received about 15% of less rainfall than the average. After the current spell, there is a possibility of some reduction in rainfall dayrate in the month of August, and the future of the rains will depend on the status itself. As you can see, everything, as you can even see that the Bhide pool also is submerged in the water. Along with that, even the cars. Now let's try to talk to the residents over here and see. सर, आपका क्या कहना है? आपका क्या कहना है जैसा देखा जाए कि इवन पानी से सारा कुछ सबमर्ज हो चुका है और खड़कवासला से अभी पानी छोड़ा गया है?
अभी खड़कवासला से 35,000 क्यूसेक पर ये पानी छोड़ा जा रहा है। जो लोग नदी में गाड़ी लगा कर गए, उनको उनके नंबर से उनका मोबाइल नंबर निकाल के उनको कांटेक्ट किया जा रहा है कि आपकी गाड़ी निकाल लो। अभी तक 6 गाड़ियाँ निकाली है, अभी 2 गाड़ियाँ रही खाली, एक आल्टो और एक स्विफ्ट।
और सर, जहाँ पे हमने देखा कि भिड़े पुल भी ऑलमोस्ट सबमर्ज हो चुका है, वहाँ पे कोई पॉसिबिलिटीज है या कोई कार अटकी है या कुछ अटका हुआ है?
नहीं, वो भिड़े पील जो है वो डेक्कन पुलिस स्टेशन के अंतर्गत में आता है। हम शिवाजी नगर पुलिस स्टेशन से ये खुडे ब्रिज करके है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर आए।
As we have seen, the police department have told like around 6 vehicles have been removed from the water, like entirely. Two more are left. Now we have to see what current situation, as we have seen, for next 2 days and for next 48 hours. Pune is on the red alert. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.